Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And we're looking at the front of our airplane. This is where the cowling goes. We're looking at an actual original Yankee, but remember, these things tend to break here. And what we're going to do is we're going to drill out the rivet. We're going to drill out this one, take this fastener out. We're going to put a doubler with aluminum on the back side of this, and we're going to rivet it all back together so it's a nice firm grip here when it comes through, so this won't continue to break and want to get a chip off. So we're going to be repairing that. A lot of you see this, and we're going to show you this in a minute, but stand by for a bit more fun. And as you can see, the doubler is being fitted to place now and being held in place with the Cleco clamps. And now we'll be able to drill everything and get it all put back together. First rivet in the nut. Drop the other Cleco, and the other. Well, that's about it on how to repair that crack. You drill out the old hardware, we put it in with new rivets, we actually used a new floating nut plate. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching and have a great day flying. You're Grumman.